Hi, my name is Paige. You can see my website at www.porchproductions.net. Today we're talking about uses of your Mini DV Camcorder. And right now we're going to talk about how to actually be able to view what you've shot on your camcorder. So you want to power on your camcorder. And you're going to want to switch it from camera to VCR or play. On your LCD screen it'll go to blue probably. And then we know that we're on our VCR setting. On this camcorder, my rewind, my play, my fast forward and pause buttons here. So I want to rewind my tape and stop it, push in for pause or play. So there's several ways that you can view your audio and video that you've captured on your Mini DV tape. This is an AV cable. It's a 3-prong cable. The red and white are your sound, and the yellow ring is your actual video. Most TVs today come with an AV cable input, and your camcorder should have an AV cable output. So it is yellow, white, and red. So you want to match and plug in your yellow to your yellow, your white to your white, and your red to your red. And then you would take the other end and plug in the same to your television. This will be located either on the front of your television or the back of your television. Red to red, white to white, yellow to yellow. Again, red and white is sound, and yellow is video. So then you would go back to your tape and you would push play wherever it is on your camcorder, and then it would begin to play your segment that you want to view. And then you can rewind and fast forward utilizing your camcorder kind of as your VCR mode.